Kae from Kae Silk. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought I'll give you a bit of an office tour to show you my workspace and also pack a few orders with me. Please do subscribe to my channel. I really want to hit 1,000 subscribers. So yes, please do like, share, comment on this video. Enough of blabbering, let me show you my workspace.
I got this bookcase from IKEA. I use it to put the containers to hold my scrunchies. These containers are from IKEA as well. And I also keep some spare silk pillowcase boxes here. This is the overall setup of my workspace, and I'm going to take you through each corner so you get a better understanding of my workflow. Here I have my thermal printer connected to my laptop. And I usually use this space to do my packing. You see another laptop here because now I'm sharing my office with my sister-in-law, so I do the packing when she's off work. This is my regular printer. It's pretty in pink. It's from Canon. It's a fairly solid printer and it's quite cheap as well. I'll put a link to the model. In this drawer, I keep my packaging for my ma. So I have the resealer bag and the organza mesh bags. Here I keep my small mailing bags. And this is where I keep my scrunchy packaging. Below the desk, I keep the mailing boxes in different sizes and also tissue paper for gift wrapping. Next, I'll show you where I keep my products. Here is where I keep my face masks, so I sort them out into different design and colors. These are the same containers that I got from IKEA. And over here is where I keep my silk pillowcases, sorted into different colors. Next, let me show you some of the artwork in my office. These are illustrations from Elena Chuaga. She's a designer and illustrator based in Melbourne. Super duper talented. I think artwork is a nice way to add a finishing touch to any workspace. She drew this for us as well. When we first started, we were called June the 6th. And this is the illustration she did for my face mask packaging, which I'm still using till today. This is another artwork from Alina. So as I mentioned, I'm still using her illustration on my product packaging till today. I set up my office around March last year, just right before we went into circuit breaker. So I'm very fortunate to have this space all set up when we went to work from home mode.
Hey, I'm back. So I'm gonna pack my orders now and I will show you the process. First thing I would do is to log into my shipping portal to fetch the orders, so I know which orders need to be packed. I use Easy Ship because they are like a marketplace for couriers. So you can choose from different couriers. They have Q10, they have J&T, they have SingPost. So they have all the major couriers that you need, and they are much cheaper than when you go directly to the couriers. The integration with my website is fairly good. So once an order comes in and I sync, it comes in like almost immediately. I will now print my shipping labels. And yes, I will highly recommend to invest in a thermal printer. I will put in the link. I got this, I think, either on Lazada or Shopee. I think it was just probably about $100. It will save you so much time. Before that, I was printing onto A4 paper, cutting it out, and using like masking tape to tape. It took me like forever, and I'm gonna print my labels now. Alright, go in order. So I'll just start with like the first one first. So then I will come in here and check what's like the order and then go pick up the products. So this is where I keep my mask. So it's a navy mask. I'll pick this. And then it's a gift. So I include a card and then I'll put a sticker.
This is an order for Gwen. Gwen's actually one of my regular customers. She got this as a gift for her intern, so I'm writing down the gift message that she has indicated in the order. Yes, I try to write as many personal notes to my customers as possible. I think it really helps. I get like 30% of my orders from repeat customers. So I'm putting the face mask into the gift box. I buy most of my packaging supply from Taobao. I compare with Alibaba and I find like if you buy in smaller quantity of like 100 to 500 pieces, it works out to be much cheaper on Taobao, and I find the communication much smoother as well. The only thing is you have to know how to like type in Mandarin, but if you can't, just use Google Translate. Almost done there. We just place the gift box into the mailing box, and to add a nice finishing touch, I will put a branded sticker on it. I also got my stickers printed on Taobao as well. Also, I find the suppliers on Taobao are more willing to work with smaller quantities of like 100, 200, 500. You just want to order smaller quantities to begin with, just to test out the quality first. Anyway, there's tons of competition, so if one supplier is not willing to work with you on your requirements, just speak to the next one. I will usually write the name of the customer on the sticker that goes on the mailing box. I think it adds a nice personal touch, so the customer knows when their Kae Silk package has arrived. This is the mailing satchel that I use for our mass orders. And yes, you guessed it, it's from Taobao as well. I actually thought about printing customized mailing bags, but then I realized most people throw them away, so instead I just add stickers to add a touch of branding. Okay, so this customer by the name of Sheena has requested for me to surprise her. She has bought a 3 mask pack and she said to include a black mask and to pick the other 2 colors as a surprise for her. So yeah, I have chosen a rose gold and a pearl pink. She actually ordered 4 masks: emerald, the black, rose gold, and pearl pink. So I put everything I need in this tray just to make sure I don't miss anything out when I start to pack. Next, I'll remove the mask from the plastic bags and put them into my own packaging. I'll share my process of how to design your product packaging. I will first come up with the concept on Canva, and then I will send this file to the printers to get a quotation from them. So you would need to let them know the size, the material that you want, and the quantity. Once I have shortlisted the printer, he will then pass me on to his designer. I will send him my design that I did on Canva, my brand logo, colors, and the font. He will do the markup to let me approve. I'll usually email them the files or just send them to them via WeChat. Either way, it's pretty fast, free, and very straightforward. In terms of cost, you'll find there's not much difference in ordering 500 and 1000 pieces. But like I mentioned, you want to start with smaller quantities first to see if you like the quality. If you can, do buffer in some time so then you can choose to use shipping over air freight option to save some cost. I'll put the links to my suppliers in the description. Alright, I hope you find today's video helpful. If you do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also leave a comment on what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching. Bye!